Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to control this drone with an app with your cell phone only. Let's turn on the drone first. Now let's turn on Wi-Fi. We need to wait until it connects. Now you can see it's connecting. Now it's connected. Now we're going to the app, Eachine FPV. Now you see the screen, you need to push play button. Now you see the camera view from the drone. It means that the drone is connected. You see no controls now. You see the button off, you need to turn on the control. So you see now the controls. Now you need to see more controls. You need to push button, this button. Now you have the controls on the screen. You see that lights now are not blinking, it means it's connected. To check if it's working, I also can use the same combination of buttons that I showed in the previous video on how to fly the drone with a joystick. You do this movement also works and starts the engines. Again, I don't advise using these buttons on the right and on the left, the takeoff and landing, because they don't work really well, because the taking off is becoming very hectic. It's difficult to control the drone. Also, I noticed that controlling the drone with your finger may be challenging. So if you want to start using it from the very beginning, I advise to use headless mode again. You need to go to settings and turn on headless mode, this button here. And now you see the lights are blinking. Now it's showing that it's in the headless mode. Then I also advise you to use the gravity function, which is this one, which means that when you push this, you see now these controls are moving based on how you move your cell phone. So you need to keep your phone like this, and it will be using its internal gravity sensor to control the drone. I think that's the easiest way to control the drone, because with the finger on this part is difficult to control. Still, the taking off and landing will be controlled with your finger, and turning around its axis will be controlled also with this finger on the left. By turning on the gravity function, you won't be able to turn on the engines. What you need to do is first to turn off the gravity function. Start the engine with controls on. Start the gravity function, put the phone like this and start using it. You need to be quick here. So, and fly up. And you see now you can control it. In the headless mode, it's working because it doesn't matter which direction it's looking. So with the phone, you are able to control it. So you see, it's working. Now I can turn it around the axis, and it still works. So that's how you can use it. The first steps, the quickest way to start using your drone with the application. Up a little bit and down a little bit, and then you can land it.